Welcome to Motilal Maths. It's exercise 2.1, question number 1 of grade 12. If omega is not equal to 1, it's a cube root of unity. Show that a plus b omega plus c omega square whole divided by b plus c omega plus a omega square plus a plus b omega plus c omega square divided by c plus a omega plus b omega square equal to -1. Okay, first they said omega is not equal to 1 is a cube root of unity. If so, we have two results. Omega cube equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square equal to 0. See, I take this left side first. It is very easiest question only. A plus b omega plus c omega square b plus c omega plus a omega square a plus b omega plus c omega square c plus a omega plus b omega square, which is equal to, how to do this question? See, in the easiest way it has to be done. So here the term independent of omega and omega square is b. You just look at this denominator. B is just a constant only. Its coefficient at numerator should be taken out. Listen now. Here term independent of omega and omega square is b. Its coefficient is omega at numerator. This denominator will be the same. B plus c omega plus a omega square. Its coefficient at numerator, omega. This omega is going to be taken out. If so, this term will be b. Then here omega taken out. If so, it will be c omega. Then a omega square. Listen now. You can multiply this once again. You will get its previous numerator. B omega c omega square. Here omega cube will come. Omega cube is 1 into a. See, a is there. So here what I am saying to you, the term independent of omega is b. You can be taken out the coefficient of b at numerator, then the same denominator will appear at numerator. See, even here also, denominator c plus a omega plus b omega square. Its coefficient at the numerator is omega square. Omega square should be taken out. If so, the same denominator will get formed. See, omega square into, you just take the same denominator, a omega plus b omega square. Now you can multiply these two, c omega square. See, c omega square is there. Omega square into omega, omega cube. Omega cube is 1 into a. These two, b omega power 4. We know omega power 4 equal to omega cube into omega 1 into omega, omega. So omega square into omega square is omega. So b is there, b omega is there. You can multiply these two. This previous numerator will be obtained. Now what I am saying to you, simply I am saying you, here constant term is b, its coefficient omega. Omega should be taken out. The same denominator will appear. Here also, constant term is c, coefficient of c is omega square. Omega square should be taken out. The same denominator will appear. Now these two will get cancelled, these two will get cancelled. Here we get omega plus omega square, which is equal to minus 1 RHS. Since, see, from here you will get it omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. That's all. Got all.